The footage captures a severe accident involving a truck maneuvering into a confined driveway where a spotter stood behind the vehicle to provide guidance. Due to a lack of situational awareness and positioning himself in a dangerous blind spot against a wall, the spotter was unable to react when the vehicle reversed quickly. This breakdown in communication and unsafe proximity resulted in a heavy impact, pinning the individual between the truck and a concrete structure. To prevent such incidents, spotters must never stand directly behind a vehicle or between a vehicle and a fixed object. Always stay visible in the mirrors and maintain a clear escape path. Drivers must reverse at minimum speed and stop immediately if they lose sight of the spotter. Tight spaces leave zero room for error. Respecting the crush zone and following safety protocols is vital to preventing these tragedies. The footage captures a severe accident involving a truck maneuvering into a confined driveway where a spotter stood behind the vehicle to provide guidance. Due to a lack of situational awareness and positioning himself in a dangerous blind spot against a wall, the spotter was unable to react when the vehicle reversed quickly. This breakdown in communication and unsafe proximity resulted in a heavy impact, pinning the individual between the truck and a concrete structure. To prevent such incidents, spotters must never stand directly behind a vehicle or between a vehicle and a fixed object. Always stay visible in the mirrors and maintain a clear escape path. Drivers must reverse at minimum speed and stop immediately if they lose sight of the spotter. Tight spaces leave zero room for error. Respecting the crush zone and following safety protocols is vital to preventing these tragedies. The footage captures a dangerous traffic incident at a major intersection where a motorcyclist traveling closely alongside a semi-truck was pulled underneath it during a right-hand turn. Because the motorcycle was positioned in the vehicle's blind spot, the driver was unable to see them. Fortunately, the rider reacted instantly, escaping just before the wheels passed over the bike. This occurrence highlights the extreme risks smaller vehicles face near oversized trucks. To stay safe, road users must identify and avoid no zones, where drivers cannot see via mirrors, and avoid traveling parallel to trucks at turns. Always maintain a safe following distance and never attempt to squeeze past a signaling truck. Monitoring wheel movement helps anticipate a truck's wide turning radius. This serves as a serious reminder to always yield and maintain a safe gap around large vehicles. This footage captures a severe industrial accident at a manufacturing facility, highlighting the critical importance of rigorous safety protocols. While attempting to transport a massive metal mold using an overhead crane, a catastrophic failure occurred due to an incorrectly identified center of gravity and uneven rigging tension. The load shifted unexpectedly and slipped from its hoist, collapsing onto a worker within the drop zone and causing life-altering injuries. This incident underscores vital lessons. Rigging integrity must be verified to ensure balanced loads, and personnel must strictly avoid no-go zones directly under or near suspended objects. Adherence to OSHA standards and the use of designated spotters are essential. Ultimately, a single moment of oversight in heavy machinery operation can lead to permanent consequences, making constant vigilance a necessity. This video captures a high-risk incident at a construction site that serves as a vital reminder of the necessity of equipment safety. During a routine heavy lift operation, a severe technical failure occurred involving the rigging system or connection points. Due to an uneven load distribution or a sudden mechanical failure in the hoisting cables, the load dropped from a significant height with immense force. Fortunately, a worker nearby demonstrated remarkable situational awareness, narrowly escaping the impact zone just moments before the object struck the ground. To prevent such accidents, it is mandatory to conduct rigorous inspections of all cables and hardware before every shift. Clear physical barriers must be established to keep personnel away from potential fall zones. Maintaining absolute focus when working near active heavy machinery is essential. Overlooking even the smallest detail during a safety check can lead to catastrophic accidents, making occupational safety the top priority. This footage captures a serious workplace accident within a manufacturing facility, where a massive steel coil unexpectedly dislodged from its mandrel and crashed onto the floor. Driven by immense momentum, the coil rolled uncontrollably toward nearby workers. Due to the rapid nature of the event, one employee was unable to react in time, resulting in a direct impact and critical injuries. This incident serves as a sobering reminder of the vital importance of safety protocols. To prevent such events, facilities must prioritize rigorous equipment, inspections of mandrels, and locking mechanisms to identify mechanical fatigue early. Personnel must strictly adhere to designated safe zones and stay clear of the direct line of fire. Maintaining total situational awareness and full compliance with mandatory PPE are non-negotiable requirements to protect lives in heavy industrial settings. This footage captures a dangerous incident involving a mini excavator during a residential demolition and excavation project. While working near the edge of a structure, the operator positioned the machinery on unstable ground without proper surface reinforcement. Consequently, the soil beneath the tracks suddenly gave way, causing the excavator to lose balance and tip over into a deep trench. Fortunately, the operator demonstrated quick reflexes and managed to jump clear of the cab, narrowly avoiding serious harm. This incident serves as a vital reminder to always conduct pre-construction soil assessments to evaluate ground stability. Operators must maintain safe setback distances from trench edges to prevent cave-ins. Utilizing ground reinforcement like timber mats can distribute weight effectively, while emergency response training ensures operators can react instantly to instability. During the unloading of a heavy cargo unit from a truck, a severe accident occurred due to a major breach in safety protocols. As the crane lifted the heavy load, a worker remained positioned directly underneath it, inside the truck bed, to adjust its alignment. Suddenly, the hoisting cable snapped, causing the massive load to fall instantly, crushing the rear of the vehicle and the workspace below. This incident serves as a critical reminder of the vital importance of following occupational safety regulations at all times. The most essential lesson is to never stand directly beneath a suspended load or within the danger zone while lifting equipment is in operation. Before starting any lift, it is mandatory to thoroughly inspect cable integrity, verify load capacities, and establish a clear perimeter to ensure the safety of everyone on site to prevent such tragic events from happening. This footage captures a critical safety incident within a manufacturing facility where heavy machinery and floor personnel share a workspace. As two workers walk through an operational zone, a forklift maneuvers to position large pallets. Due to a breakdown in communication and situational awareness, a dangerous encounter occurs when a worker enters the operator's blind spot and becomes pinned between the vehicle and a fixed container. This serves as a sobering reminder to follow OSHA guidelines. Pedestrians must avoid blind spots and establish eye contact with operators. Forklift drivers must perform 360-degree checks and ensure a clear line of sight, while management must implement floor striping and physical barriers to separate foot traffic from machinery to prevent accidents. This footage documents a significant equipment failure at an industrial loading site, where a large transport truck is positioned beneath a high-capacity storage silo. During the material transfer, a sudden pressure surge causes a powerful burst, releasing a massive cloud of white industrial dust that instantly engulfs the vehicle and the immediate vicinity. Personnel are seen evacuating the area to avoid inhaling particulates or being struck by debris. To prevent such incidents, regular inspections of pressure relief valves are vital. Non-essential personnel must maintain a safe buffer zone from loading towers, and workers should always wear proper PPE, including respiratory protection. Finally, facilities must ensure clear evacuation routes and conduct safety drills to prepare for equipment irregularities.